Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad problem, that is 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 40. So we have to find the value of x here. Starting our solution, first of all, here if we just take 4 to the power x is common, so we get 4 to the power x outside bracket, and then here 4 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x we get 1, plus similarly here we get the same result, which is 1, and again we just write 1 is equal to 40. Now 4 to the power x, 1 plus 1 plus 1 we get 3, so 4 to the power x times 3 is equal to 40. Now here if we just divide both hand side by 3, so this 3 is cancelled out, we get 4 to the power x is equal to 40 over 3. 40 over 3. Now 4 to the power x is equal to 40 over 3. So taking log on both hand side, then we have here taking log on both sides. So we get log 4 to the power x is equal to log 40 over 3. So using logarithm laws, as we know that if we have log a to the power m, it will be equal to m log a. M log a. Similarly, here we have another law, that is log a over b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. So our left hand side of this equation will be x log 4, which is equal to here log 40 minus log 3. Now our next step is x log 4 is equal to, this log 40 can also be written as log 4 multiplied by 10, so minus log 3. Now using here logarithm law, if we have log a times b, then it is equal to log a plus log b. Log a plus log b. So our step will be x log 4 is equal to here log 4 plus log 10 and minus log 3. Now dividing both hand side by log 4. Similarly on our right hand side, dividing by log 4. Here we see that this log 4 is cancelled out with log 4. We get x is equal to, here if we just write separately this denominator with each term, so log 4 divided by log 4. Similarly plus log 10 divided by log 4 and minus log 3 divided by log 4. Now this log 4 is cancelled out with log 4. We get 1. So x is equal to 1 plus log 10 can also be written as log 2 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 10, all over log 4 is log 2 squared. So this 4 can be written as log 2 squared. Now minus log 3 over log 2 squared. So here we have, using again the logarithm law, the product law of logarithm, which is 1 plus, here we have log 2 plus log 5, and writing this log 2 squared separately with each term, so we have divided by log 2 squared, and here we have log 2 squared, and it will be minus log 3 divided by, using logarithm powers law, then shifting this 2, we get 2 times log 2. 2 times log 2. Now our next step will be, so x is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by, it can be written as 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by, again using the same law, 2 log 2, and minus, if we just write 1 over 2 log 3 divided by log 2. Now here this log 2 is cancelled out with log 2. We get that x is equal to, here we have x is equal to 1 plus here 1 over 2 plus, it is 1 over 2 log 5 over log 2 and minus 1 over 2 log 3 over log 2. Now x is equal to, here the denominator is 1, so we just write least common multiple, which is 2. Here we get 2 plus 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. It is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2, and here we can use logarithm law. We know that if we have that log a over log b, then it is equal to log a to base b, log a to base b. So it will be log 5 to base 2 and minus 1 over 2 log 3 to base 2. Now our next step is, here we see that x is equal to this 2, here it is 2 and it is also 2 in denominator, so we just take least common multiple, which is 2. Here we have 3 plus log 5 to base 2, and here we get log 3 to base 2. So it is our value of x that we have just find out. Now we have to verify our result, as this value of x is valid for our problem or not. So for this purpose we have to just recall our problem, that 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 40. Now by simplification we just write that 3 times 4 to the power x is equal to 40. So here putting the value of x, 3 times this 4 can also be written as 2 squared, which is equal to 4, and times x. So value of x is, here we have 3 plus log 5 to base 2 minus log 3 to base 2 all over 2. Is it equal to 40? Now this 2 is cancelled out with 2, so we get 3 times 2 to the power 3 plus log 5 to base 2 minus log 3 to base 2. Is it equal to 40? Now using exponential laws, as we know that if we have a to the power m plus n, then it is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Similarly, if we have a to the power m minus n, then it is equal to a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Using these two laws, then we have this step will be 3 times 2 to the power, here we have that is 2 to the power 3, and plus we have this 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, so it can be written as log 5 to base 2. Now divided by 2 to the power log 3 to base 2. Is it equal to 40? Now our next step will be, here we have 3 times 2 to the power 3 is 8, and here we are going to use logarithm law. If we have a to the power log b to base a, then it is equal to b. So it will be 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, it is equal to 5, all over it is equal to 3. So is it equal to 40? Now here we see that this 3 is cancelled out, we get 8 times 5. So 8 times 5 is 40, and 40 is equal to 40. Left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side. Hence we prove that both sides are equal. So value of x is valid for this problem, that x is equal to 3 plus log 5 to base 2 minus log 3 to base 2 all over 2. It is our final answer. I really hope you have understand all these steps. So we are going to just review our problem. Here we have our solution. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day. Goodbye.